Welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. We kick things off with football as Jamaica opened their 2017 CONCACAF Gold Cup campaign with a 2-0 win over Caribbean champions Curaçao at the Qualcomm Stadium in San Diego on Sunday. Daniel Blake reports.
The Reggae Boys were dethroned as Caribbean Cup champions by Curaçao just 14 days ago before their opening group game in the Gold Cup on Sunday. So Theodore Whitmore's men were hoping to exact some revenge. There was a moment of silence at the start of the game for the late GFF president, Captain Horace Borrell. But the hush endured throughout the goalless first half as both sides failed to excite the crowd. However, Romario Williams, who was a late addition to the starting 11, netted a screamer in the 58th minute to leave the Jamaicans in a dancing mood. Darren Mattox, who was dropped from the starting 11 in favor of Williams after being late for a pre-game team meeting, came on as a substitute and fired home a rocket in the 73rd to give the boys a 2-goal advantage. Curaçao almost cut the deficit in half minutes later, but Captain Andre Blake managed to keep the effort out. Despite their flat performance, Jamaicans got the 3 points they wanted and gained some redemption for their Caribbean Cup final defeat. The boys will now turn their attention to Thursday, where they face group leaders Mexico, who had a 3-1 win over El Salvador. Daniel Blake for TVJ Sports.
Thanks, Daniel. And the boys will play a friendly international against Canada following the completion of the CONCACAF Gold Cup. Now, the Jamaica Football Federation, the JFF, today confirmed the match scheduled for September 2 at the BMO Field in Toronto, Canada. It will be the team's first action following the completion of the Gold Cup as they continue their preparations for the 2022 FIFA World Cup.